In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a permanent Discord invite link. If you're tired of links expiring or running out of uses just when someone needs them, this quick walkthrough will set you up with a link you can post anywhere and forget. It's perfect for websites, social bios, or long-term community growth. Start by opening Discord and heading into the server where you want to create the invite. You'll need to either own the server or have the Manage Invite Links permission. If you're unsure about your permissions, check with a server admin before you continue so you're able to save the settings we're about to change. Once you're in the right server, look for the Invite People option. You'll usually find it near the top of the channel list or under the server's name. Click that, and a pop-up will appear with an invite link. By default, Discord often creates links that expire after a period of time, or that only allow a limited number of joins, which is why people run into invalid links later. In that pop-up, find and click Edit Invite Link. Sometimes this appears as a small gear icon next to the link. This opens the settings that control how long the link lasts and how many people can use it. For a truly permanent link, change Expire After to Never. Then set max number of uses to no limit. These two settings together ensure that your invite will be valid indefinitely and can be used by as many people as you want. After adjusting those options, click Generate a New Link. This refreshes the invite with your permanent settings applied. When you see the updated link, click Copy to place it on your clipboard. It's a good idea to paste it somewhere safe right away, like into a Notes app or a draft message, so you don't lose track of it. That's it. You now have a permanent invite link that won't expire and won't run out of uses. You can share it on your website, social profiles, email newsletters, or anywhere your audience finds you. Just remember that anyone with the link can join, so share it thoughtfully. If you ever need to change or revoke it, you can manage your invites from your server settings at any time. For added safety, make sure your server has clear rules, basic verification, and sensible role permissions so new members land in the right place. Thanks for watching. With this permanent invite link in hand, you'll make joining your server simple and reliable for everyone.